wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. I think in Pelula Lilizwe, I can't even pronounce isco, but I'll mean the sign language for isco sesiwelele. It's siwelele. Remember the Sanders Bobzin? So umuntu kora ngoku nge-sign yeteam yakhe.
Yeah.
Just because niphakamisa imino ephezulu kora lamagoli ngoku baphakamisa phezulu.
Lento ikanje mngani wami. Angisho ngabona nawe laba kushaya khona 6 nawe washaya khona 6 embombela. Yathi SuperSport Mike shaya 6 wabuya washaya TS Galaxy 6. So nami ngikora la
7.
Kule sign yeMamelodi Sundowns.
Thank you so much. Bobzin Masiye Loftus. I mean Lucas Masterpieces Modipo Stadium. Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje.
Manam, yeah, ngibingelele everyone lokhona la studio eMajita. Now Shane ngibingelele mngani wami.
Yeah.
Ngabaleki Shane ngikubongise for iTTC Orlando Pirates ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina leya league yeTTC my brother. Ubonile bokunzima iceda ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns 2-0. Congratulations to Amajita. Ngicabanga ukuthi well deserved la Majita adlale kakhulu iTTC Orlando Pirates uma ungabheka ama game wayo mangabe ubhekede wibe badlala ngakhona. So it is babongele Shane Amajita ukuthi no benze kahle kakhulu ukuthi bayiwine leya TTC. So coming to game namhlanje Shane ithi ngitshele Shane ngicabanga ukuthi ngibongise iqembu leMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ithole maximum point but mawuthi uyabheka kubonakala ibody language yabadlali the technical team bekuyinto ebekade bayidinga ukuthi let's try to score more goals uma ngabe kuyakhonakala against isiwelele. Uma ungabheka the way iqale ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns iqalele ya game ine speed esiphezulu kakhulu. Uma ungabheka abadlali abafana nabo Debza ubheke abo Matthews ubheke ne defense eMamelodi Sundowns kulama wing back bakunikeza something yokuthi into bekade bayilindele abo Leon ukuthi even if we score silanda ibhola enethini we don't celebrate start ibhola siya center. So ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngabe ama team angadlala neMamelodi Sundowns or Orlando Pirates badlala open play like this singabona kuleba nama heavy score la ku Betway. Unfortunately ama team amaningi uma adlala nalama team badlala kakhulu low block and le low block ibangela ukuthi kungabi nama spaces amaningi kungabi nama high lines. So ngicabanga ukuthi iswelele today na iSundowns cishe badlale ngokufana. The different ukuthi iSundowns le quality ibe clinically ku final third and also ne ball position iSundowns ngicabanga ukuthi iye dominator because iyo beyibamba ibhola esikhathini eside. But uma ungabheka futhi the way bas apply ngakhona badlala bafana nabo Lithako I think uBoy wenze kahle kakhulu today kulela side. Today iSundowns beyinomdlali kuwonke ama winger but benzani bayavala saying bavulela lama wing back ukuthi asebenze because ungambheka uMatthews beka close kunoNuno ubheka uNuno uclose kuno Lithako. So bekuba khona nale combination kulabo badlali even ungabheka nalama goal abakorile bheka the way ba combine ngakhona lawo Majita kuno Leon. Ngicabanga ukuthi ibancede kakhulu ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisa wonke lawa ama winger abo even though badlala mhlawumbe kulawa ama half channel ukuthi basebenzise lawo le creativity mhlawumbe abafuna ukuyenza. So ngibanikeza icredit chain ngibona abadlali kahle kakhulu abo Debza the way badlale ngakhona rotate ibhola receive ibhola from the defense. Unfortunately defense eMamelodi Sundowns inamaphutha Shane. Ngikhulumile lokho last week or last week ngathi if uzochubeka udlala kanje uzoba nenkinga ku CAF Champions League.
Ayikwarishi Bobzin because I know ukuthi all cups are important but I know if you can ask each and every Mamelodi Sundowns right now ukuthi which game abayijoge ngamehla abomvu, all of them I'm sure kanye let's say 90% will tell you ukuthi CAF Champions League. Let me say the most important game is Sundowns right now. Zezi two, first leg, second leg against the Asfar. Ayikuwarishi defense Sundowns ukuthi namhlanje yes they conceded 4. They were the second least conceding team coming into this game. They conceded 4 namhlanje. Ayikuwarishi ukuthi ni conceded against Iswelele going into la final CAF Champions League.
Yes, of course, Shane. Iyawarisi into efana nale because mawungabheka not only lama goal awu4 iSundowns they were conceded. Kunama chances la khona Siwelele bekumele ngabe naso mhlambe score 7 goals. Kusho wona ukuthi ayizange Isiwelele mhlambe isebenzise lawo ma chances ku final third. So uma ungabheka ama mistake ayenziwe Isiwelele ku defense ayafana nama mistake ayenziwe iSundowns. Because bayakwazi ukuthi bakore 4 la bakore 3. Ngescore sefootball uma ikanje 3-0. You understand? So kusho kona ukuthi lama chances abawatholile aboPonsane kulela side nabo bathu bani umfolozi ama chances engicabanga ukuthi bekumele bayenabo ba convert lawo ama chances mhlawumbe ngabe sikhuluma kuyi draw ya 7-7 you understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya defense eMamelodi Sundowns chain ishake kakhulu ngifuna ukutshela manga ayisingale ndlela mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ngiexpect ukuthi bengaba yiyo especially uyodlala iCAF Champions League. That is why ngithi kuluza lo yamdlalo ofana noCupido I think kuzoba inkinga enkulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uma ungabheka uNdamani mistake ayenzile uceda ukuyenza last week uyaphinda wenza the very same mistake manje aka release ibhola wenzani upass ibhola akaligcwalisi and nakhona uma ungabheka ibody language yalela bhola akayiprotectanga leya bhola umane walikhahlela nje ucala uzofika koronze ama mistake afana nalawo ilama mistake azokwenza ukuthi uyilose igame and ekugcineni uma uluza ama game afana nobo CAF Champions League udlala ifinal Shane kufana nokuthi awusebenzanga from la uqale khona kuma preliminary uzoyofika. So ngicabanga ukuthi kumele bayilungise le defense chain sometimes chain kumele ubheke ukuthi ngi under pressure yina akusibunkomo ukukhahlela ibhola le phambili chain. If you are under pressure just kick the ball or kube throw in or corner kick sibiye sizo defender because if sonke isikhathi nifuna kuligcina kini noma banipressile nizoba ne problem chain. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele bayilungise lento leyo but overall I think from ku midfield up front ngiyacabanga badlale kahle kakhulu amajita njengoba ngisho ngithi wayivulele iSundowns ukuthi udlala open play izokufanisa njenge Orlando Pirates uma ishabo Golden Arrows 5 izokufanisa noOrlando Pirates uma ishabo team efana ne TS Galaxy. So ngicabanga ukuthi the only way yokudlala neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi apply low block ungadlali high line because nayo Sundowns ayibona ukuthi ayikho right move inokudlala high line ithola ukuthi the quality opponent ayifani if equality ye opponent nayo beyifana neMamelodi Sundowns njengoba ngisho ngithi bekumele ngabe nabo bakora amagoli mhlambe amaningi chain.
Still the defense Sundowns Bobzini going into la final ye Asfar uGrant uzabe ngekho right?
Yeah, no, uGrant uzaba khona Shane.
Uzaba khona first leg
card yakhe it's one
done.
game suspension.
Okay, because
singazange singiyinake kahle.
Okay. Thank you for correcting because I was also concerned ukuthi if mhlawumbi akazobakho uGrant then le combination as we build a for la finance abangibani because uCupido I think is out for his season even though it being a but like injury it seemed ngathi bad. But now moving on when Bobzini because singathetha nge defense ukuthi he was leaking but I'm sure you are happy ukuthi your team scored goals and one of those players who rely kakhulu kuye this season especially with CAF Champions League uBrian Leon scored a hat-trick namhlanje. What did you make of him namhlanje?
I-confidence Shane uya kulawo ma game ngiyacabanga uzaba nayo confidence bongabheka kunama chances naye futhi awamistile even though ashaya hat-trick. So ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba again confidence umdlalo ofana noLeon not yena nje kuphela ukuletha labo badlali mhlawumbe abolithaku ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazokunikeza something. Matthews ukuthola the way ngibona assist ngakhona the way ngibona kora ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi confidence izaba khona Shane. Kumele Shane uma ngabe kunala kumele ushaye khona ama goals uma ngabe izokuphusha lento you must go but khumbula ukuthi ngibona ngathi le energy yaba drainer le 2 games lebeyisele manje abadlali beSundowns because uzobadinga nge17 uzobadinga nge24. So ngicabanga ukuthi into ebebalukile for iSundowns now ukuthi abatholi 3 points uma ngabe bafuna ukuchase amagoli sometimes ingahle balimaze bheka ama sub wakhe ukuthi enzeni Shane awazanga asebenza ama sub maybe ungakhuluma ngomdlalo umkhulisi ukuthi at least because akaluzanga amabhola amaningi but the rest ma ungabheka hambe ubheka uSales uSales uvele waletha le game down ma ungabheka uluze amabhola ungaki wethatha ama decision wrong uma ufika ku final 30 bano Reiners. So ngicabanga ukuthi lawa masub waka coach Cardoso mhlambe bekafuna ukuletha abadlali ukuthi abafike ba pick up la khona abo Debs abashiye khona so that they can score amanye amagoli. But akuzange kwenzeke because of abadlali bafike behlisa umzimba. But going to igame siwelele Shane isite siwelele ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach uzamile Shane ukuthi mhlawumbe afuna ukulanda iSundowns angayirespect ngalendlela ukuthi uyobhaka ipass. Le game le ngibona adlale ngayo cishe yafana negame eChiefs because bekadlala open play yamsebenzela but ku Sundowns the quality are not the same Shane. Beka the way abonyiko Mobi bebathola ipressure ngakhona nabo umdlalo uNdebele kule center back. Then at least uRapo the way ngimbone ngakhona but the problem ukuthi uRapo nomfolozi bebakhuphuka Shane nokukhuphuka kwabo ba expose abo makamani lapha ku midfield because sekunzima nabomkhwane ukuthi bangavala lawo ma space kuba nama space amaningi because nabo bafuna ukattack abayojoina abolungu up front. So ngicabanga ukuthi ibalimazile nayo leyo because ekugcineni nabomralo uma ngabe baluza le ball bangakwazi ukulwina kuba khona nama space la khona iSundowns ikhona ukubreaker because bekubonakala kuba nama a space amaningi between the lines kule team efana neswelele Shane.
Babuzini Masivala bakhona abantu ebenibathumile pha ngathi ndithume amakhwenkwe nokuthuma umsebenzi amadoda but abawenzi. First half benze kahle Brentford but ngokubona ngathi baconsider okay masibashiye babuzini. Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium is Siwelele 4 Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.